Split screen. It is very helpful feature when you want to use two apps on the same screen. It divides the screen into two parts. So on top of the screen you can use one app and bottom of the screen you can use second app. I find it very helpful when I want to watch videos on Netflix or YouTube along with chatting. To start split screen, press recent app button. Click icon of the app that you want to open in split screen and select open in split screen view. Then scroll horizontally to open the second app. Here I will open YouTube. Now I have two apps open in my screen. On the bottom I have YouTube and on the top I have WhatsApp. In the middle I have a border that I can drag up and down to change the screen size. Now I can chat on WhatsApp while watching videos on YouTube. I can inverse the app by clicking in the middle of the border and selecting the first option. So my YouTube is on top and WhatsApp on bottom. Similarly vice versa. Also I can select second option from middle of border to group these two apps and add to sidebar. Let's exit the split screen view by pressing the home button and X on the top. In sidebar I can see my two apps grouped, and when I click them it will open both the apps in split screen view. In this way you can open any two apps in split screen view, and also you can group those two apps and add to sidebar so that you can open them in split screen view easily.